Hello children, how are you all? Hope you're all safe at home. Children, today we are going to learn a new lesson, Do Bakriyan, meaning two goats. Children, this story is about two very naughty goats. The story depicts the bad impact of naughtiness and good impact of unity. One day, the shepherd tied up both the goats with one rope and kept a grass basket. With their united step, they reached to the grass. When shepherd returned, they promised that they will not do anything wrong anymore. एक गडरिया था, उसके पास कई भेड़ें थी। दो छोटी बकरियां भी थी, बूरी और श्यामा। There lived a shepherd. He had many sheep. He had two small goats too, Buri and Shama. बूरी और श्यामा बहुत शरारती थी। वे रोज जंगल में चरने जाती, इधर उधर भागती, कूद लगाती, दूर दूर घूमने निकल जाती, गडरिये को बहुत परेशान करती। Buri and Shama are very naughty goats. They both will go to the forest daily for grazing. They keep jumping here and there and they are very naughty always. They went very far away. They always trouble the shepherd. एक दिन गडरिये को बकरियों पर बहुत गुस्सा आया। उसने दोनों को एक ही रस्सी से बांध दिया। एक टोकरी में हरी हरी घास भरी और खुद भेड़ बकरियों के साथ जंगल चला गया। दोनों बकरियां पहले तो उदास खड़ी रही। One day the shepherd became very angry on the two goats. So he tied the two goats with the same rope. He filled one basket full of green grass and he went to the forest with the other goats and sheep. दोनों बकरियां पहले तो उदास खड़ी रही, फिर उछलने कूदने लगी। एक इधर से रस्सी खींचती, दूसरी उधर से। रस्सी खींचते खींचते वे थक गई। उन्हें भूख लग आई। श्यामा बोली, घास की टोकरी बहुत दूर है, क्या करें? Both the goats became very sad. Then they started jumping and playing. One started pulling the rope one side and the other started pulling the rope on the other side. They became very tired after pulling the rope. They were feeling very hungry. Shama said, "The grass basket is very far. What shall we do?" बूरी बोली, मेरे साथ खड़ी हो जाओ। पहले मैं अपने अगले पाँव आगे करूँगी, फिर तुम करना। साथ साथ आगे बढ़े। श्यामा बोली, ठीक है। Buri said, stand along with me. First, I will keep my first leg forward, then you move forward. We will move together. Shama said, okay. Children, we will continue the rest of the lesson in our next video. Keep practicing this, children, till I meet you in the next class. Till then, it's bye from your Hindi ma'am, Vadiukarasi. Dhanyavad.